pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Boxborough, local and long-distance movers near me. The way we tackle local moves is nothing short of a moving masterpiece. When it comes to relocating within Boxborough, MA, our Boxborough local TM movers swing into action with meticulous planning and seamless execution. First off, we'll have a thorough discussion with you to understand your specific needs and preferences. Armed with this knowledge, we strategize the most efficient route and timeline for your move. Here's where our expertise shines. Our team is intimately familiar with the streets and neighborhoods of Boxborough. Navigating the city is a breeze for us, benefiting our clients. We avoid unnecessary detours, optimize travel times, and ensure your belongings reach their destination swiftly and safely. From packing your treasures with utmost care to loading, transporting, and unloading, we handle it all, sparing you the stress. Count on us to be your reliable moving companions, making your local move a delightful experience you'll remember fondly. With our Boxborough MA, movers by your side, you'll settle into your new Boxborough home with a smile. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Boxborough moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.